Everybody, welcome to an episode of Cooking with Tovia. I am going to show you guys how to make smothered turkey wings and gravy, and I'm going to be using my air fryer oven. If you don't have an air fryer oven, you can do this in the regular oven. You'll find all the ingredients for today's recipe in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified of my uploads, and please know that my schedule of uploading will be changing soon. I have here my turkey wings that I've already cleaned, and I've shook on some black pepper, some oregano, and then I have garlic powder, onion powder, and some kosher salt. And I'm just going to rub everything in. Just rub everything into the turkey wings. Like I said, this is super easy. Please share this video, and don't forget to check out my previous videos if you're new to my channel, because I've been uploading a lot lately and I know that some of you may have missed some uploads. So after seasoning the turkey wings, this is going to go into the basket of for my air fryer oven. So I'm going to place this into the basket. So now I'm going to put this in the air fryer oven. Okay, so now this is going to go into the air fryer oven. I'm using the Chef Wave, and just set that on top of that gift basket. And then I'm going to hit on, and then I'm going to hit the menu button, and we're going to go to chicken. So this is technically a poultry, so we're going to leave it on chicken, and I'm going to let this go for 45 minutes. I'm going to hit the time, hit 45 minutes, and then hit the on button, and we're going to let that go. Also, I'm going to hit the rotisserie button to turn that rotisserie function off. So we'll be back in 45 minutes. So guys, I threw some more time on there. The turkey wings took approximately an hour and 15 minutes to finish cooking. So it took an hour and 15 minutes. So now I'm going to show you guys how to make the gravy. So here in my pot, I'm going to begin on high heat, and I've already added some butter. I'm using unsalted butter, and also I'm going to add some olive oil. If you don't like olive oil, you can use have butter, have vegetable oil, just any type of oil that has a high burning point. So that way this keeps the butter from burning. So I'm going to make a roux. This is going to be a dark roux. Dark roux take a good while to come together, so you have to be very patient with it, stirring and watching it constantly. So we're going to make a dark roux with flour and fat. So we're on high heat here, and I'm using all-purpose flour, and I'm going to sprinkle the flour kind of back and forth across the bottom of my pot here. And I'm going to begin to just stir everything. Now, if it's too dry, as you see here, it's a little too dry, just add a couple more tablespoons of olive oil. So we're going to just continue to let this cook. I'm going to stir it every so often. We're going to let this go for about 10 to 12 minutes total. I'm going to adjust the heat to medium high because we're on high heat now. So we're going to be working about medium high heat, just stirring this roux constantly until it gets a nice medium chestnut brown color. My roux is just reaching that medium brown color, and I wanted to come back on camera to show you guys as it starts to get brown, it'll get dark pretty quickly, so keep an eye on it. So I'm going to let it get just a little bit darker, so I'm going to keep stirring constantly. Now, I chose to continue to cook this on high heat the entire time, but I kept stirring it the entire time, and I didn't leave the heat at all. I didn't leave the pot alone by itself at all. So you see it's getting darker, and we want it to be pretty dark so our gravy will have a nice color to it. So I have here on standby some water, and I have my French whisk as well. I'm going to pour the water in, and I'm just going to whisk thoroughly. And I'm going to add some more water because this is definitely not enough water. and scrape the edges of the bottom of my pot with my French whisk. Just stirring constantly. Now I'm going to throw in a bouillon cube. If you don't want to use a bouillon cube, you can use stock in place of the water and the bouillon. So to whisk that in, hit this with a little bit of liquid smoke. I'm using mesquite. So just like I have a teaspoon, not too much. Is I'm going to taste it for salt and pepper. Give it a little bit more salt and pepper to taste. Whisking everything, those salt and pepper in, we're going to put our turkey wings into the gravy. And then after putting the turkey wings into the gravy, I'm going to cover it. And I'm going to let this go on medium low heat for about 25 minutes. After adding the turkey wings, we're going to add in an onion that I sliced thinly. Just kind of give everything a mix together. And then I'm going to cover this and I'm going to let this cook on medium low for about 25 minutes. So I'm going to cover it. I'm going to stir it so often to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom of the pot. So about 20-25 minutes. So everyone, here is the turkey wing and gravy. You can serve this whatever you want. I just have some stuff in here. You can serve mashed potatoes, rice. And guys, let me tell you, this looks absolutely amazing. I can't wait to give this a taste for you guys. And it's very tender. Get some of that taste with that gravy. So here it goes. Absolutely delicious. The turkey wings is perfectly seasoned. They're tender and they're perfect with this gravy. Guys, please, please, please try this recipe. Absolutely delicious for the There you have it. How to make smothered turkey wings and gravy. Please remember to live and be well, and let's come together and love each other. Thank you so much for watching.